Welcome to the third week of printer repairing course. We live in a world where our working and living style is defined and transformed by technology. In 21st century, it is important to keep pace with advancement in tech industry to survive in this competitive world. In this session, we will be studying about all-in-one printer, its cartridge maintenance, the scanner technology, and the working in different sections of all-in-one printer. After the completion of this course, you will be able to assemble and disassemble all-in-one printer. You will gain the capability of how to troubleshoot different problems associated with this printer. Let's start with basic introduction to all-in-one printer. It is a single print device that serves several functions including printing, faxing, scanning and copying. Also called a multifunction printer, MFP. All-in-one is often abbreviated as AIO. All-in-one printers provide centralized document management for large and small enterprises. What is the meaning of all-in-one printer? It is a multifunction product which is an office machine which incorporates the functionality of multiple devices in one. These devices focus on scan and print functionality for home use and may come with bundled software for organizing photos, simple OCR and other uses of interest to a home user. An all-in-one will always include the basic functions of print and scan, with most also including copy functionality and a lesser number with fax capabilities. A typical MFP may act as a combination of email, fax, photocopier, printer and scanner functions. Some significance of all-in-one printer are that it will always include the basic functions of print and scan, which almost including copy functionality and a lesser number of fax capabilities. Its functions include smart card readers, direct connection to digital cameras. It provides centralized document management in a large office setting. These printers are quite simple to support. If something is wrong with the scanner, you just need to contact the manufacturer of the multifunction printer. If you have a problem with the printer and the fax machine, it can also be solved by one person alone. You can also save space. One of the common problems with office equipment is that they are very bulky and they eat up a lot of your space. You can economize on expenditures. All-in-one printers also have basic input and output features. Now let's see what are those features. Built with network drivers for different operating systems, page description language, parallel connection, printing types, direct interpreters and USBs. The output of printer is built with printing speed technology, paper formats, dot per inch resolution and duplex and direct printing. In order to maintain the cartridge, use your printer at least once a week to preserve your cartridges. Clean your print heads regularly. Replace your cartridges at the first sign of poor print quality. This often indicates that the ink levels are getting low and the cartridges should be replaced before they are completely empty. If your printer has replaceable print heads, they typically may need to be replaced every 7 to 8 cartridges. Some printers or print head requires the use of setup cartridges. They should be included with that item. If the printer came without setup cartridges, it should be returned to the retailer. Setup cartridges must be new. If they have been previously used in another printer, they will not work to set up a new printer. Now, let's understand scanner technology used in all-in-one printer, which provides scan resolution. It is important for those that make a lot of high-quality copies and scan pictures. Some printers may list a resolution enhanced scan measure, which is a measure relating to how the standard resolution can be enhanced through the software. Let's have a look at benefits. If you lose or accidentally erase an important digital file such as a proposal or invoice but still have a hard copy, you can easily replace it in your digital filing system by using OCR software to scan the paper or most recent draft. In scanner technology, quick digital searches software converts scanned text into a word processing file. It gives you the opportunity to search for specific documents using a keyword. You can easily turn a filing cabinet worth of information into editable digital files. Let's understand different keys and their functions. There are many keys available in all-in-one printer. Some of them are, let's begin with scan function key, which provides ability to retrieve a document from internal storage and send it as it was a new scan. The ADF helps in feeding multiple sheets of paper to the printer. Duplex scanning capability depends on the ADF. Whether the MFP can scan both ideas of a sheet of paper without manual intervention by the user. You can see the resolution functional key marked as scan, copy, print and fax. Network print types which are available for print functions are RAW, LPR, IPP, FTP printing, print via email. Fax function key is an answering machine where cordless telephone is only a consideration for all-in-one or smaller SOHO product. By using it, a person can perform PC fax send and receive capability. There is send-receive faxes forwarding to email capability via SMTP. Copy function key offers document finishing capabilities and folding capabilities. In document finishing capability, there is duplex output, stapling and its positioning. In folding, cover binding differs from cover insertion in that a cover is physically bound to the book instead of simply placing it around the other pages. Cover binding often uses hot glue to bind the cover to the finished book. Now for operating menu, see the picture where a right click on chosen printer will give many options. A large freestanding unit designed as a central printing device or reprographic department device. These devices, while far larger and more expensive than office MFPs, generally do not have all the advanced network functionality of their smaller relations. They instead concentrate on high speed, high quality output and highly advanced finishing functionality, including book creation with cover insertion and so on. Production printing itself is often further divided into light production printing and heavy production printing, with the differentiating factor being the speed. A 100 ppm device, for example, falls into the light production printing category by the standards of most manufacturers. Because of the focus on printing, while most production printing MFPs have a scanner, it is infrequently used and often only has very basic functionality. There are a variety of different print engines for production printing MFPs. However, in the light end of the production printing market, most are based on large office MFPs, which themselves are based on photocopier technology as described above. Document cover is for loading an original document on the plate-in class. Paper support is to load paper in the rear tray. Direct print port is to connect your picked bridge from plain device such as digital camera to print directly from it. Paper output tray supports the printout. Close it when you are not using it. Output tray extension. It supports output printouts. Plate-in class is to load original documents to copy or scan. Operation panel changes the setting and operates the machine. That's it for this session. Thank you.